What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very interesting beater box slash mystery box. I don't usually do things like this, but I'm kind of looking for new avenues of getting beater boxes, just so if any of you guys watching want to try to get into these, because I know some of these beater boxes that I get, it's either through connections that I have or memberships that I have. So I'm trying to look out for beater boxes that you guys could get. Now, some of you guys reached out to me and told me that I should do an eBay mystery box, which I've seen a lot of those in the past, and those are some of the sketchiest boxes you could ever do, just because you have no guarantee of what you're getting, or you can't even guarantee if it's authentic because it's just from someone on eBay, not a reputable store. But for the sake of you guys and for the sake of content, I don't want you guys wasting your money, so I actually bought an eBay mystery box. Here it is right here. So this is a $250 eBay mystery box, just from a random seller on eBay. They had pretty good reviews, but I'm still not 100% sure how this is gonna go. This box feels heavy. It feels like there's a lot of shoes in here, which could be a bad thing, because these could just be a lot of beat shoes, because when you're buying on eBay, you're not guaranteed anything. You're just, as long as you get something in the box, then technically you got what you bought. So there's no money back guarantee or anything like that. So this is a $250 gamble for me, much more than the other boxes that we do on the channel, because those are from reputable shops and I know that I'll at least get my money back. But this is going to be very interesting. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video as well. Follow us on Instagram at Soul State Sneakers. We still have a giveaway going on right now. If you didn't watch the last video, that's where the giveaway instructions are. So I'll link that up there in the cards. So be sure and enter in that video. And the instructions are also on our Instagram page. So check out at Soul State Sneakers on Instagram, and you can find the rules there. But with that being said, let's get into this sketchy eBay mystery box. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna open up this $250 eBay mystery box. Let's hope for some good luck here. Let's go ahead and throw the counter up on the screen. Alright, and that will be keeping track of all the shoes and their values. And let's go ahead and throw our profit indicator somewhere over here, probably in the bottom of the screen. But let's go ahead and open this box now and see what we got, please. The box was kind of, I didn't love the way that it was packaged. I don't know if you guys saw, but the lid, even like the top of the box was just protruding. I guess that's a good word to use. It was just up, and it was very difficult to even ship. So I'm surprised that this got here without anything falling out. But this does have a lot of shoes from the looks of it. So let's start pulling them out. $250. That's what we have to get to. So the first shoe out is some type of pair of Timberlands. I've never had any of these before. Never got any in any sort of mystery box. But some of them have decent value. Believe it or not, Timberlands collabed with like Bape and I think Supreme and stuff too, which is weird. But I know nothing about this shoe other than it's a Timberland, and I would assume probably $50. So good start right there. Next shoe out, we have a pair of Air Maxes and a size, oh, I forgot to give you the size on the Timberlands. We say a size 13 on those. So if you want some Timberlands or any of these shoes out of this box, check it out on soulstate.net. These should be posted tomorrow evening, hopefully. I'm filming this video on Friday, and I have to have it posted by Saturday, so I'm not giving myself a lot of time, but hopefully I can get it done. But these shoes will be on the web store when you guys watch this video. So, getting into this next pair, it's a pair of Air Maxes, size 13. It's in this weird green olive type colorway. Shoes overall in pretty good condition. Nothing too bad here on the shoe. Just probably another, I don't know, $30 or $40 shoe, something like that. So we're on our way. Okay, we have a pair of Adidas. This is, I hate them. Well, I just don't like the way these shoes look. It's almost got like this tubular thing on the bottom here. I just really don't like the look of it. This is a size 12.5 as well, so looks like this is going to be a big shoe box. So my big feet people, check out solestate.net, and I'll have these shoes going for steal prices for you guys. So third shoe out of the box. Wow, there's still there's like 4 shoes left. These are going to be difficult to move, I feel like. Let's get into the next shoe. Okay, so these are a little bit better. This is a somewhat recognizable pair of Air Maxes, but this is a massive shoe again, a size 14. Who sent this box? And why are your feet so big? But anyways, a pair of Air Maxes in this nice red and kind of grayish black colorway. This is a pretty clean shoe overall. There's some slight frays here on the back of the shoe, back there by the Nike Air. I'm not sure if you can see that. Bottoms, a little bit of dirty, but no big deal. I can clean those up with Reshoevn-Ator. So what is this, the 4th shoe out, something like that? This probably has some good value on it, I would think. So good shoe out of the box, and we're on our way to our goal. So I do know these are a pair of LeBron Soldiers. I think this is just called like the LeBron Soldier TB or LeBron Soldier Team, maybe. I really like this purple colorway that it's in. Other than that, not much to say about this shoe. It's got straps everywhere. Look at that. There's 3 straps total on this shoe. A lot of ankle support on this one. This is another size 12. So if anybody out there is just looking for a pair of shoes to hoop in, then these will be going for cheap on solestate.net. And I just do want to mention real quick, if you haven't entered the giveaway, enter in because we will be giving away a free pair of shoes in about a week's time. I think I'll announce it next week when we do a Beat of Rocks. So be on the lookout for that. Go follow us on Instagram at Soul State Sneakers and check it out and enter in the giveaway. 3 shoes left. I see one shoe at the bottom that is probably worth the entire box if it's real. So I feel good about this so far. But let's look at what we have here. This is a pair of Kobe's. I think this is a Kobe 10. I want to say this is called like the... I want to say Fear, but that may not be right. I'm a little off on my Kobe sometimes, but this is a size 13 too. My goodness. Okay, well, size 13 Kobe, I think 10 Fear. Shoe shows definite signs of wear. There's no holes or anything in the shoe. Light wear on the bottoms you can see, but the biggest thing, this toe cap right here, it's got some weird cracking going on it. So shoe's still in very good usable condition. It's just got some cracking up there on the toe cap. So you'll just have to watch out for that. But 2 shoes left, and these shoes are actually in boxes. So we have an Adidas box that is beat really bad and has coffee stains on it. So that's awesome. This is an Adidas Climacool 1, whatever that is, in a size 10. So let's check these out. Wow, these are ugly. Sorry if you like these, but in my opinion, these are super ugly. Look at these. What is this? It's like they used like a 3D printer to print these shoes. I don't know about these. They're super light. Climacool. It's almost like see-through. So wow, yeah. So your sock game really has to be on point if you're gonna wear these shoes. If you guys like these, these will definitely be going for a steal price. So if you want to take these off my hands, kudos to you, and I'll throw you some Supreme stickers in there too, if you want to buy that shoe. So this shoe is the last shoe here. I am excited about this one because it is, if you know your shoes, this is a Jordan 4 box. The box is pretty beat up. Wow, look at that. Maybe I can give you guys a sneak preview of the shoe. What is it? Can you see? Probably not. But this is a Jordan 4. It is it's a size 10. That's my size. So we'll see what we got here. But if this shoe is real, then it probably makes up the price of the box. So, not too worried about that because the box is already messed up. Okay. Wow. These look good too. These look real. Wow. So what we have here is a size, it is a size 10, but this is the Jordan 4 Royalty. I've actually got this shoe in a couple different beater boxes before, and I really like this shoe. I've gotten rid of it every time, and you know what? I would say that you guys could check this one out on the web store tomorrow, and I would be giving it for a steal price, but this shoe is going straight up on the wall and on my feet because I am not getting rid of it this time. I'm keeping this shoe. So, good boost to the counter as far as overall value. I'm sure we're definitely in the green now if we weren't already, but you know, part of being a reseller and a sneakerhead, the part that hurts me is sometimes I have to keep shoes and sacrifice profit. But all the shoes back there on the wall, and I just recently put some shoes up on this wall. You know what? I think that's okay. I'm going to be able to live with myself with that one. But anyways, guys, thank you for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. We will have a new video for you guys on Wednesday. I'm going to be doing a new posting schedule, and I'll explain that a little bit more in that video. That's when we're going to do the shoe review. I'll just go ahead and give it away. It's Seth Fowler's shoe, and I got it, and we're going to be reviewing it. So that video will be live on Wednesday. Like I said already, if you do want any of the shoes besides the Jordan 4, check them out on SoulState.net. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at SoulState Sneakers and enter into the giveaway that I will be announcing the winner on next Saturday. So I'll announce it there, and then you'll have to get with me on Instagram, and we'll work on getting you a pair of shoes from that box. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning into the video. We will see you on Wednesday with the review of Seth Fowler's shoe. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a great Saturday. Have a great Sunday. Hope you're prepared for going back to work on Monday, but that's going to be okay. Today is Saturday, so don't even think about Monday. So far in the distant future, you don't even have to worry about it. But anyways, guys, continue to stay safe, continue to love your shoes, and we will see you on Wednesday.